Elevate your brunch game with exquisite stuffed French toast recipes. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly prepared stuffed French toast, a dish that promises to transform your ordinary brunch into an extraordinary feast. This isn't just any breakfast, it's a journey into a world of flavors and textures, all wrapped in one delightful package. Our recipes are designed to cater to all tastes, combining sweet, savory, and everything in between. The secret lies in the perfect harmony of creamy fillings and fluffy bread, a duo that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. From the first step of selecting the finest ingredients to the final garnish, every detail is meticulously curated to ensure a memorable dining experience. Picture slicing into your French toast, revealing the luscious filling that's been waiting to greet your palate. We understand that brunch is not just a meal, it's an experience. That's why we've crafted variations that cater to all, ensuring that no one misses out on this culinary adventure. Whether you prefer the classic flavors or something more adventurous, we've got you covered. Imagine the fusion of rich cream cheese with fresh berries tucked away between slices of golden brown bread, a combination that's both refreshing and indulgent. This recipe promises to be a crowd pleaser, offering a burst of freshness with every bite. For those who lean towards the savory side, imagine a filling of sautéed spinach and feta, enveloped in egg-soaked bread, creating a perfect balance of flavors. It's a savory twist that elevates the traditional French toast. And let's not forget about the chocolate lovers. Envision a decadent chocolate hazelnut spread paired with slices of banana, stuffed between bread and cooked to perfection. It's a rich and satisfying option for those with a sweet tooth. Every recipe is accompanied by tips and tricks to ensure that your stuffed French toast turns out perfectly every time. From achieving the ideal golden crust to selecting the perfect toppings, we've got you covered. We also understand the importance of presentation. That's why each recipe includes creative serving suggestions, ensuring that your brunch not only tastes incredible but looks stunning too. But it's not just about the recipes, it's about creating memories. Whether it's a special occasion or a simple weekend treat, these stuffed French toast dishes are sure to bring smiles and warmth to your table. We invite you to join us on this culinary journey, where every bite is a celebration of flavor and creativity. It's time to take your brunch experience to the next level, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So, gather your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and prepare to indulge in the ultimate brunch experience. With our stuffed French toast recipes, you're not just making a meal, you're crafting a masterpiece.
Welcome to Brewed Content with Ms. Coffee. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe today.